Okay, tap on new project, add some videos that you want to mix. After adding the first video, you should find the add overlay on the toolbar and add some videos. Here I add 4 videos in overlay. Then I select each one in overlay layers and I tap on basic in toolbar, tap on scale tab and increase it to the 100. So we have 5 full screen videos that we can see just one which is on the top. So first one, I just want to move it a little to the right because after putting a mask we can't see the yellow fish. So after that, go to mask, horizontal mask, tap the rotate tab and increase the angle to 125, but it depends on yourself. I selected this number and this angle. It's good for me, and I do that for all the overlaid videos. And I move the mask. As you can see, I'm happy with this one here. For the next one, go to toolbar, mask, horizontal, tap the rotate tab and increase it to 125 and move the mask where you want to be. All right, now I move each layer 2 seconds after the previous layer just start. As you can see, and you will get why I do this. Just wait for it. All right, after finishing moving layers, I add keyframes at the beginning of each layer, I mean overlaid layer, and add another keyframe at the beginning of the next overlaid video. So for each overlaid video, we have 2 keyframes, one at the beginning and one at the beginning of the next video. After that, I go to mask, I put the feather at 40 on the keyframe at the beginning of the video and move the mask to the right part of the video or the screen. And then for the second keyframe of each video, I decrease the feather to 20. So as you can see, for the first keyframe of each video, we have 2 things to do. First is increase the feather to 40, and second job that we should do is to move the mask to the very right part of the screen. But for the second keyframe, we decrease the feather to 20. And after that, we should see the result. All right, so let's see what do we have here. It's not good, I think, because the layers of the videos are so thin, and I want to change the feather from 20. I decrease it to 10, and now after that we will see what will happen. So I change the feather to 10, as you can see, for each overlaid video. And here for the last one, I select the second keyframe, I go to mask horizontal and feather, decrease the feather to 10, and now let's see what's the result. Yeah, that's better, I think. As you can see, so we have multi-layered video, and that was good, I think.
This is Saranvi channel, where you will learn every detail about photo and video editing. So subscribe my channel and like this video if you liked it. Leave me a comment so I could get what else you want me to make just for you. Like always, I wish you the best and peace together.